It seems like everywhere we turn, we keep hearing about malware and viruses and hackers and scammers and data breaches. And you may be wondering, how do I know that my devices are secure? How do I know that there isn't a hacker in my laptop or in my tablet or in my phone or in my computer, maybe in my television? So that's why I wanted to put together 7 clear-cut signs, telltale signs that you've been hacked that you need to know about right now. Let's start with number 1. Your gadget suddenly shuts down or slows down. And it's not fast anymore. It's freezing. It's sluggish. And something just doesn't feel right. Well, what you can do is to see what's running in the background, maybe secretly eating up your gadget's resources. And for that, you're going to use Task Manager on Windows and Activity Monitor on your Mac. We're going to tell you more how to do that, as well as boot into safe mode to really troubleshoot some items. Number 2 on the list is that you're using more data than usual. So you're going to look under the data usage meter or data monitor, depending on your provider. 3 on the list is that videos are suddenly buffering, or web pages, they now take forever to load. Well, maybe a virus is redirecting your web traffic, or maybe malware is slowing down your connection through something called DNS hijacking. We'll tell you how to look for that. Next on our list is that programs and apps, they just start crashing. And then you can fix this problem by booting your gadget into safe mode. Of course, we'll tell you how to do that. Maybe you start seeing a whole bunch of pop-up ads and you're wondering what's going on there. Maybe the gadget suddenly restarts. Maybe things are happening that you had no part of. Maybe your email sent folder has things that you had nothing to do with, or there are posts on your social media. You need to check your accounts for any unauthorized activity, movies on your Netflix profile that you didn't watch, or mystery purchases, songs on your Spotify that you didn't listen to, credit card charges coming out of nowhere. Well, this is a very, very comprehensive tip, folks, and that is something that you definitely want to look at this weekend, because under each of these different points, we give you the step-by-step instructions to make sure that your data is safe and all your information is protected. And for it, look no further than the official homepage of the Kim Komando Show. That is, of course, Komando.com. Komando.com. Once you're there, hit that show picks button right on the homepage.